Non Renewable Resources, Chapter 7. Can we imagine our life without water, air, and electricity? Obviously, your answer will be no. We are mostly dependent on the resources available in nature. What are natural resources? Did you know that natural resources make up the world around us? They are the air we breathe, the soil we walk on, the water we drink, the plants we enjoy, the wind that blows, the animal life surrounding us, and the sun that warms our world. Natural resources are divided into renewable and non renewable resources. Renewable resources are natural resources that can be replenished in a short period of time. Here are some of the renewable resources: solar energy, air, wind, water, tides, soil, and plants. A non renewable resource is a natural resource that cannot be remade or replenished. Here are some non renewable resources: fossil fuels, metallic minerals, and non metallic minerals. Fossil fuels include oil, coal, and natural gas. Metallic minerals include iron, copper, aluminium. Non metallic minerals include salt, phosphates, etc. Let's do a comparative study of renewable and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources can be replaced in a short period of time, whereas non-renewable resource cannot be replaced. Once it's used, it won't be regained. Renewable resource won't pollute the environment, but non-renewable resource pollute the environment. Some of the renewable resources are solar, wind, water. Some of the non-renewable resources are coal, petrol, and natural gas. The common factor between the two is both are natural resources. It provides energy and it is used by human being. This slide gives you a clear picture of renewable and non-renewable resources. What do you think non-renewable resources are? Break it down. Non-renewable resource. A non-renewable resource is a natural resource that cannot be remade or regrown at a scale comparable to its consumption. Nuclear energy is also a non-renewable resource because once it's used, it's gone. Coal, petroleum, and natural gas are considered as non-renewable because they cannot be replenished in a short period of time. They are called fossil fuels. How was coal made? Millions and millions of years ago, giant plants died and buried under swamps. Swamps are nothing but wetlands. After millions of years, because of the heat and pressure underground, it turns into a hard substance called coal. It is used as fuel for rail engines and big factories. A non-renewable resource is a natural resource that cannot be remade or regrown. Fossil fuels and minerals are some of the non-renewable resources. What are the difference between non-renewable and renewable resources? Renewable resources can be replaced, but non-renewable resources cannot be replaced. If non-renewable resources are resources that cannot be remade at a scale comparable to its consumption, what will happen in future? Think of it. And let's see this in the next session. Thank you.